when we're looking at hiring, one is in terms of culture, because culture is what makes an organization. So you may be a superstar, but if you don't know how to talk to your juniors, right? If you always want to take credit, that's the kind of people that we would never hire. So culture is very, very important. The other thing that we look for is someone who's willing to work that 1% harder. Everyone is smart. Ultimately, in sports, we are not building rockets, right? It's not rocket science. We are not doctors. We're looking at someone who's street smart and someone who's willing to work that 1% more than anyone else. There's a guy called Richard Lovett who runs the world's largest agency called CAA. He started off as an intern in a mailroom, and his mantra was very simple. I will be the first to get to office. I will be the last to leave. And in that time, I will work harder than anyone else. He's not the smartest, and he openly admits it. But because he worked slightly harder than his closest competitors, he is where he is. So one, you need to be a good person, like Vivek said. You need to fit into a culture. And secondly, you need to work slightly that 1% harder than anyone else. You do these and you'll be successful, not just in sports, but wherever you end up really.